In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export sales register from Zoho Books tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get a clean copy of your sales register onto your computer in just a few moments. First, let's set the stage. The sales register is a detailed list of your sales transactions over a selected period. Exporting it can help with audits, sharing data with your accountant, or analyzing sales in a spreadsheet. We're keeping this simple and focused, so we'll walk directly through the quickest path. Start by heading to the Reports area. You'll find Reports on the left pane of your Zoho Books dashboard. This left pane is your main navigation, and Reports is where all the financial summaries and transaction listings live. Once you click Reports, look for the Sales Register report. This report is specifically designed to show individual sales entries rather than just totals. Select the Sales Register report you want to export to open it, and then click Run Report. Running the report ensures you're seeing the most up-to-date data for whatever default settings or filters are already in place. Depending on your account setup, you may see options like a date range, customer filters, or other criteria on the screen. You don't have to change anything if you don't need to. Just make sure the report loads fully so you can confirm the data looks right before exporting. Once the report has been run and you see the results on your screen, move to the top right corner of the report page and click the Export button. This is the control that turns your on-screen report into a downloadable file. After clicking Export, select your preferred file type. You'll typically see common formats such as PDF for a ready-to-share document, or spreadsheet-friendly options like XLS or CSV if you want to sort, filter, or analyze the data later. Choose the format that best fits your workflow. After you select the file type, Zoho Books will prepare the download. Depending on your browser settings, the file may go straight to your default downloads folder, or you might be prompted to choose a location and file name. It's a good idea to use a clear naming convention, like including the date range in the file name, so you can find it easily later. And that's it. You clicked Reports on the left pane, opened the sales register, ran the report, and exported it in the format you need. Simple, fast, and ready for your records or analysis. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.